To answer the interview question about a time when you used good judgment and logic to solve a problem, it's essential to provide a work-related story that showcases your logical reasoning abilities. The interviewer wants to know about a situation where you used good judgment to solve a work problem, and your goal is to assure them that you approach issues with care and logic. When responding, give a brief overview of the problem you faced. Discuss the pros and cons of each decision you could have made, and explain why the solution you chose was the best. Be sure to include details of the positive impact you generated for your employer by using strong judgment. For example, consider a situation where a customer was upset due to a return policy issue. As the assistant manager, you stepped in to alleviate the situation by listening to the customer's concerns and finding a middle ground. Although you couldn't refund the customer's money, you offered an in-store credit, which cost the company money but resulted in a happy customer. It's crucial to avoid giving vague responses, such as stating that you use good judgment and strong logic all the time. Instead, provide measurable examples of your logic in action, highlighting specific instances where you used sound judgment to solve a problem. By doing so, you can demonstrate to the interviewer that you approach issues with care and logic, making you a more attractive candidate for the position.